Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to find all cells with specific fill color in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's say we have a data range in which there are cells with different fill colors, and our task is to find and select all cells with the same fill color. For example, let's find and select all the cells with red fill. First, we go to the editing section and click the Find and Select button, and then we select Find. A little faster, this menu is called with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl F. Next, in this window, we click the Options button and then Format. In this menu, we go to the Fill tab and select the red fill color. Click OK and then Find All. As you can see, Excel found only cells with red fill, and there are only 7 of them. Now we press Ctrl A and all the found cells are highlighted, and we can do anything with these cells. Change the format, copy, delete, and so on. And that's it. Now no more.